How to add Ton to Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust wallet, and then you just need to head over to the Manage Crypto on the top right, and by default you will have the Ton coin available in your Trust wallet. So you just need to make sure to enable three of them. Now remember, if you want to receive it on the Ton address, you just need to go for the first one. If you want to go with the Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, then you need to enable them. Otherwise, you can simply turn them off. And if I go back and go for the Ton, you just need to click on the receive option, and the token that will going to be sent on the address will going to be the Ton address, which as you can see on the top again, it is on the Ton wallet address. So hope this helped. This is how you can add Ton to your Trust wallet.